back to Kitchen Adventures with the Fit Couple. I'm super excited to show you guys this amazing recipe today. So today's recipe is gonna be roasted broccoli salad. And why I just love all kinds of salads, but I love this salad because salads are so versatile. You don't have to always have like spinach or lettuce or tomatoes kind of stuff. You know, you can be just very creative with your salad, and that is what I want to show you today. So it's gonna have like broccoli and onions and chickpea, very limited ingredients, but it's gonna taste so amazing. And I'm gonna serve it warm, so it's like a warm salad, so it's gonna go amazing for your winters, and you're gonna enjoy this recipe. Kids love it, everyone's gonna love it because it's gonna have an amazing dressing. So no one's gonna be picky, or no one's gonna say that I don't want to have this veggie or that veggie, because it's gonna be delicious. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're gonna get amazing recipe, I promise you, and I'm not gonna bore you with any of the recipe actually. So it's gonna be all amazing recipes. So do subscribe, and if you like this recipe, hit the like button. And for the exact measurements of this entire recipe, I will leave the link to my website in the description box below, so do go check it out and check out other amazing recipes also. Okay, let's get started with all the ingredients. I have some olive oil, black pepper, some salt, and in this bowl I have some paprika, garlic powder, and some salt. This is for the chickpeas, so it's gonna go in the chickpea. And over here I have some parsley and some cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, just do all parsley. If you don't like parsley, just do all cilantro kind of thing. But I like both, so I'm just doing half and half. And over here I have tahini. This is not homemade, I got it from Trader Joe's. I'm also gonna make homemade tahini very soon and show you the recipe. That is amazing. And I have some water, 1 clove of garlic minced, and half lemon. And over here I have some salt, cumin powder, and paprika. This entire is for the tahini dressing. So first things first, my oven is it's getting preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And let me just season my things like this tray, and it's gonna go in the oven. Okay, this is how we start. Okay. So first thing we need to do is we need to take garlic powder, salt, paprika, add it to the chickpea. So this is like boiled chickpea. I'm just gonna add it here with some black pepper and olive oil. Don't worry guys, you can find the exact recipe in the description box below. So no worries, you can print it out, you can open it in your iPad and make it, or your phone. So do not worry. Mix this nicely so that each chickpea has all the flavors. And you can also follow my Instagram page, Tanya's Kitchen. I keep updating all my recipes over there, so you get what all recipes I'm posting. And also the best part is you can subscribe to my website, and you're gonna get notified every single time I post a recipe. So do not worry guys, I got your back. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm gonna add salt to my onions, and over here I have onions and broccoli. So as you know, it's a broccoli salad, so onions, salt, hold on. Perfect. Some black pepper and olive oil. So I'm gonna roast them for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, both of them. And while they are roasting, I'm gonna make my dressing, which I'm gonna show it to you, obviously. So I'm just gonna give it a good mix. I love this salad because it's getting cold over here. I mean, I live in Florida and it is not cold, but for me, the kind of cold is like, oh yeah, I like this kind of cold kind of situation. So, warm salads for dinner, oh my god guys, you're gonna love it. Okay. Just gonna use a little bit of olive oil. and these are so easy dinners. You don't have to like dirty too many pans. Just 2 dishes, 2 baking trays, and that's it. Your dinner is ready. Okay, I'm spreading it really good everywhere here, and it's almost getting ready. I'm gonna put both these trays in my oven for 20 minutes, and once this is done, I'm gonna show you how they look. And meanwhile, let's start making the dressing. Okay, so for the dressing, I have some water over here, and this parsley and cilantro will be going in the last. So don't worry about this, just keep it aside and forget about it. Okay, to this water, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of tahini. Okay, come out already. Homemade tahini dressings are like the best dressings. And now I'm going to add the cumin, salt, and paprika, minced garlic, little bit of black pepper. Again, the exact measurements are in the description box below. Olive oil. And good squeeze of lemon juice. I'm gonna whisk it really good and make it like a smooth dressing. Okay guys, so everything is ready. I have everything over here, so let me just show you once again and then start assembling it. Over here, my broccoli and onions are roasted for 20 minutes over 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The chickpeas are done, and the dressing is also nice and creamy over here. And I have some parsley and cilantro. So let's just start assembling everything. I have this bowl over here. I'm gonna add everything over here. Let's first add in the broccoli. You can also serve it cold, but you know, it's gonna make a lot of difference if you serve it warm, because it's a warm salad. And it's also going to be a different salad because you always eat cold salad. So why not try a warm salad? And this crispy onions, oh my god, they're gonna do amazing flavor. They're gonna give you amazing flavors in your palate. You don't want to leave the crispy parts behind because they're the best. Okay, now I'm gonna add in my chickpeas, and be careful because it's hot. Just gonna toss it a little bit. Add in the parsley and cilantro. Nice mix. And now, finally, I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of dressing, and if anybody wants more, they can just pour it in the bowl. This is so good. So give it a good mix. I cannot wait to try it. So I am going to take a bowl myself. Okay, now let's do the tasting. It's gonna be hot, so just be careful. Oh my god. The chickpeas are giving such a good crunch. And parsley and cilantro and broccoli. This combination is amazing. It tastes so good. And the red onion are giving a slight sweetness to your salad, which is the best. So trust me guys, this combination is so amazing. You're gonna love it if you make it. And that is it for today. If you guys enjoyed my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so that you always get notified, and don't forget to like. Bye bye.